Hey, so, many people will have different ideas, right, on things and religions, and they'll make certain decisions, right? And, these decisions are very, very personal to them, right? And there's a reason why they make these decisions. My decision is I will always be a Scientologist. Why? Because it's helped me so much, and it's actually improved my life tremendously. And I'll tell you one aspect of that, right? So they did their spiritual counseling, which is just an incredible counseling service provided by the Church of Scientology, right? And going into these counseling sessions, they're not telling you what's wrong with you. They're making you understand yourself better, right? I mean, there's a procedure, and it's beautiful. Honestly, it's really helped me a lot. And without that, I don't think I would actually be at the level I am today. Meaning that I'm really, really, really confident about myself. I have strong integrity, strong ethics, and I have been able to really make some good things happen in my life and help some really great people in the process, right? And I continue to help people, and I've really, really, really found this religion to be amazing, just genuinely amazing, right? And that's why I'm on here right now, always inviting you, always encouraging you to find out for yourself, not trying to have the result be you being a Scientologist. No, I just want you to find out for yourself, because whether you practice it or you just know about it, is really good. It's no different to me, because at the end of the day, if you find one thing that helps you in Scientology, then there we go. And you can apply that, and you don't have to be a Scientologist to do that. So I would encourage you to check it out for yourself. Tune in to the Scientology Network, which is a TV channel that runs 24/7. You can find out where it's streaming and whatever its major platforms all around, but also on Scientology.tv. Also go to their website, Scientology.org. But check it out for yourself. Really, take a look for it. Take a look at it for yourself. Push all the, whatever thoughts you're having about, oh, it's going to be another religion, or it's going to be this, that, and the other. Just push all that aside and take it newly and see what that does. All right.